should do 6.
Okay, this is video hiccups part 2. She has all the ingredients. We're getting rid of the hiccups. Okay, step 1. Sugar, mouth, go.
How is it sugar?
No, it's good this is followed by water. Then you chug a glass of water. Wait till you're done.
Yumma. This is gross.
Just chug the water now. It doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. And we're chugging the water. You could probably skip to the bread.
All of it.
Just do like, I don't know. I'm going to count in French.
Count to 7 in French.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's 7. And now we're going to chew a piece of bread. And, like, swallow. All the things you do when you're going down on me. Just kidding. I won't even sing. Why? Cunt. Hurry up and eat the fucking bread. Why do you go so slow? All the things you do when you're going down on me. In between the sheets, all the sounds you make. Breath you take. Get back. It's like guess what? You haven't hiccuped in like a while. Okay, now pause and let's see if we're hiccuped free. I'm so okay, she's dying, but she's not hiccuping.
I told you it worked.
Are you done?
You're killing me. You actually found a way to
killing me softly with his.
Alright, I'm all good.
Killing me softly with his. Okay, done. Hiccup's gone?
Yeah.
Great success.